From the very beginning, this strategic planning process, it was very important for us to make sure that the members of the strategic plan team were representative of our 11 communities here at Lyons Township High School.
It was essential to have members of all of the different organizations and parts of our community as part of the process in order to identify a vision that we all believe in and that we all support and that we know is going to make LT what we want it to be for our students and for our community.
We see things through our perspective, but by having former students, by having community members, by having parents in on the strategic planning process, we were able to see the school through their eyes. We were able to see the good, the bad, the things we want to change. And I think that was incredibly important, because if we are looking to make a plan to move the district forward in a positive direction, it's important to know all of those perspectives and to hear all of those voices.
For someone like me being new to the LT community this past year, it was just a great way for me to dig in, to learn more about all aspects of our learning community. Again, moving away from just the superficial knowledge that I had coming in as a new person to really digging deep into our history and our community.
We ended up with a plan that is comprehensive, a plan that takes into account where we've been and where our community sees us going over the course of the next 5 years. We are really excited for the strategic plan to clarify, to focus our work, to show us and our community what our priorities are, and to guide our work, our leadership, and our collaboration with our students, our staff, our teachers, our community as we continue to evolve as an LT community.
We looked at things that we really liked in the past that we wanted to keep, while also, identifying some of our weaknesses, and we found ways to change those weaknesses and eventually turn them into strengths. I think there's something for everyone to like in this final product.
I would define strategic plan as a vision, a way in which we are going to move forward to improve LT and try to meet the needs of our students as the skills that they need evolve.
I would define strategic planning as a vision for tomorrow with specific goals and objectives.
I would define it as a foundation of growth for the school community as a whole, and this is just the first step.
I'm an alumni of LT. I've worked at LT and have been in the community for a really long time, but I think I realized that our student population has continued to change and evolve, and our community needs have continued to change and evolve. And in a lot of areas, we've done a great job of adjusting and making improvements, but there's still other areas that we really need to work on to meet the needs of all of our students and community members.
We want to honor our traditions here at LT. We want to work collectively to innovate together. And ultimately, this work and this process was about inspiring the future of our amazing school community.